Good morning, friends. Welcome to my show. Today, we are back with yet another episode of Chapri Public TV presents Vispotak Swami. Today, unlike all the other episodes, we're gonna be discussing something very serious. We've all been true fans of cinema all throughout our lives. And today, we are going to connect with some eminent personalities, some characters that have managed to make us laugh, managed to take us through difficult situations all throughout our lives. We are going to connect with some people. We are going to know how they managed to keep us laughing all throughout these years. For starters, we are connecting to one of the most famous villains, the twin brother of Mr. Bajaj, Mr. Teja. Mark idhar hai. Let's connect to Mr. Teja.
A few moments later. 3 days later. 3 weeks later. Eventually.
Don't laugh. Be serious. Connect me to Mr. Teja. Hello, Mr. Teja. Is that you?
ये तेजा तेजा क्या है? तेजा तेजा?
What do you mean by Teja? Teja क्या है? Teja is your name. तेजा तुम्हारा नाम है?
नाम है मेरा क्राइम मास्टर गोगो। आके निकाल के गोटी खेलूंगा गोटी।
What Gogo? अरे भाई किधर कौन किधर देख के डायल करता है यार? Sorry viewers, there's been some sort of a mistake. We've accidentally connected to Mr. Gogo. Okay, while we are on it, let's talk to Mr. Gogo. Mr. Gogo, हमेशा से मेरी ये इच्छा थी कि मैं आपसे पूछूं, why Mr. Gogo? Why not anything else?
बच्चों को नहीं देखने देता हूँ पोगो। सबको नीचे खिलाता हूँ मैं खो खो। जिसको भी जुलाव हुआ उसको देता हूँ मैं रोको। तू ज़्यादा जुलाब किया तेरे को भी दूंगा रोको, समझा? क्योंकि मेरा नाम है क्राइम मास्टर गोगो।
Mr. Gogo, do you think you are in primary school? Is this a nursery rhyme? Do you teach your kids this rhyme? Tell me. Come on, tell me.
तू गलत आदमी से बात कर रहा है क्योंकि खानदानी चोर हूँ मैं, मोगैम्बो का भतीजा। गोगो खुश हुआ।
Mogambo का भतीजा. Mogambo will know about this. He'll come. Then he'll laugh. Mogambo खुश हुआ. Okay, tell me one thing, Mr. Gogo or Pogo or whoever you are. Tell me one thing. Who are you? Tell me. Define yourself.
एक बहुत बड़े आदमी ने मुझे बोला था, मैं बहुत बड़ा ज्ञानी हूँ, अंतर्ज्ञामी हूँ, बहुत बड़ा स्वामी हूँ।
एक मिनट. I remember this. और उसी इंसान ने तुमसे ये भी कहा था, Mr. Gogo, let me remind you here right now on my show कि तुम पुरुष ही नहीं. Are you hearing me out? तुम पुरुष ही नहीं बल्कि महापुरुष हो.
ए चुप रहे, तेरा लोकेशन भेज, तेरा आँख निकाल के गोटी खेलना है मुझे अभी के अभी।
I am not gonna give you anything. Are you an Uber driver to ask me my location? Mr. Gogo, is that what you're doing nowadays? Come on, tell me.
तू उबर ड्राइवर लेके आए, तेरे को टिप भी देगा, तेरा टोपा भी निकालेगा, सब निकाल के आ जा तू
I
यहाँ
don't
पे।
want to talk to you anymore. I don't want to talk to you anymore. Come on, cut the call. Cut it, Mr. Gogo. I'll send you a pack of marbles tomorrow. Play Goti with that.
Give it to me.
I am not going to say your name. Bye. Wait a minute. We have an incoming call. Hello.
वेपो फोन में कुछ हुए क्या?
There is nothing wrong with my phone. Unlike your head. Mani bhai, cut the call. Let me go on with my show. That was clearly a disaster. Meanwhile, I'll take a moment to thank our style partner, Hardik Goggles. Thank you for believing in us while we couldn't believe in you. Without wasting any further time, let's move on to our next person, to the next character who's also has made great names, had done great things in the field of villainy. Next up, we have Mr. Yeda Anna. Let's go from Teda Anna to Yeda Anna. Connect the call to Mr. Yeda. Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Mr. Yeda.
Hello?
Hello, Mr. Yeda Anna. This is Teda Anna from Chapri Public TV.
ये अन्न नहीं है,
Give the phone to Mr. Yeda Anna.
अन्ना घोड़ा लेने गया है।
Who are you? Are you his servant? नौकर है क्या?
अपन छत 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 छत- छोटा छतरी।
What three? What three you are doing?
ये मुंबई के जितने भी भाई लोग हैं ना, अपने को छोटा छतरी बुलाते हैं। छोटा छत 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 छतरी, छोटा छतरी।
Okay. Chota Chhatri. Now I understand. And I want to seriously know who is handling the telephone directory. What nonsense is this? तेजा को लगाया, गोगो को गया, येड़ा को लगाया, छतरी को गया। एडिटर पकड़ उसको, ढूंढ के रखो कौन है वो। Moving on. Let's talk to Mr. Chota. Mr. Chota, are you able to hear me? मेरी बुलंद आवाज अब तक आ रही है?
हाँ बोल।
Okay, Mr. Chota. Your name is Chota Chhatri.
हाँ
Are you a fan of small umbrellas? Is it why your name is Chota Chhatri?
अभी छतरी में से वो निकाल के पूछाऊंगा ना, देखो पता चलेगा मेरा नाम क्यों है छोटा छतरी।
Chhatri में से वो is only your Chhatri Chota or is something else also Chota?
देखो
And don't try to be romantic about it. Chhatri में से वो निकाल के घुसाऊंगा. What are you trying to do?
खल्लास कर डालूंगा तेरे को मैं।
खल्लास करने को मैं तुझे दूध का ग्लास दिखता है?
दूध दिमाग की नस नस फाड़।
What?
जब से समझा रहा हूँ क्या बोले जा रहा है।
Mr. Chhatri, you need to finish your sentences fast. Because unlike you, our show has a time limit. And उसके बाद मुझे अगले गाड़ी से पनवेल भी जाना है. So whatever you are trying to say fast. Okay. Mr. Chhatri, tell me about your profession. Apart from selling umbrellas, what else do you do? Tell me. Mr. Chhatri, I told you अगले गाड़ी से पनवेल जाना है. I can't find a better punchline for this. Stop doing this. Mr. Chhatri, I am going to cut the call. Because you will take an entire eternity.
शाने जब से बोलता चले जा रहा है, कुछ बोल रहा नहीं हो।
आप कुछ बोलने के लिए लायक बचे ही नहीं हो. You are taking 3 minutes to answer to say one sentence. So, Mr. Chhatri, that's it from Chhapri Public TV. That's it from Teda Anna. Give my regards to Yeda Anna. Okay, bye. Cut the call. Again, one more incoming call. Let's see who that is before winding up the show. Hello.
वेपू तेजो मिले क्या? नहीं मिले ना?
How do you know about it? Money bhai. There seems to be. Wait, one more call. Hello. Come on, speak up. Hello, who are you?
वेपू ये ना मिले क्या?
Bloody money bhai.
वो भी नहीं
Cut the call.
मिले ना?
How do you know? How do you know that I am not able to connect with these people? Did you do something? Hello, money bhai. Okay. The score is 2-0. I owe you 2 apologies. Meanwhile, we'll move to the third person on our list. Mr. Babu Rao. Mr. Babu Rao Ganpatrao Apte, the biggest scamster in the country, who made the full use of Domino's 30 minutes challenge. He is the guy who has inspired a lot many scams. Vijay Mallya, Nirav Modi to यूं ही बदनाम है. The real scamster is Babu Rao. Babu Rao Ganpatrao Apte. We are going to call him and ask him some khopdi tod sawal. So connect the call and mind you, connect correctly. Mind you, do not make one more mistake. Hello Babu Rao.
हाँ हेलो।
Hello. Hello Babu Rao.
ये बाबूराव नहीं है।
Where did he go? Did he go to get the Daivika Prasad? Tell me. Daivika Prasad, is it?
ये बाबूराव का नंबर नहीं है। नंबर देख के डायल करो।
Don't try to fool me. Is it Star Fisheries? Is that what you're gonna tell me? I've watched the movie a million times. Don't try to pull off your Domino scam on me, Mr. Babu.
ए घेर गागड़ी ना, ये कब से मैं बोल रहा हूँ, ये घनचक्कर को मैं एक कलाक से समझाए ने थाकी गया। ये बाबूराव का नंबर नहीं है, ये फिर भी बाबूराव बोल रहा है। कौन है तू?
Listen, gentlemen.
लिसन जेंटलमैन। ये साला कैसा नाम है?
लिसन जेंटलमैन नहीं, वेपोरप स्वामी।
कौन वेपरप स्वामी?
अरे माई वेपोरप स्वामी।
हाँ तो उसका क्या?
अरे तू बोला ना लिसन जेंटलमैन, तो मैं बोला लिसन जेंटलमैन।
कोई कुछ भी बोले भाई, तू अपना नाम चेंज मत कर।
Oh
इधर बाद में
my
बहुत
God.
कंफ्यूजन होता है याद रखने में।
Oh my God, who are you man? Who are you? नंबर किधर लगा है? What is your name?
ये अभी मेरे को कोई बोल रहा था, मणिलाल तू किधर जा?
Oh my God, Manilal. Oh bloody Manilal. Cut the call. Cut the call. This guy will make me forget my name also. Cut the call. Cut the call. That was disastrous. I was so close to forgetting my own name. And whosoever it is, I am going to find out what has happened with my phone and who is handling the telephone directory today. Meanwhile, somebody get me some water, please. I knew you guys will try to hit me. I was cautious this time. No more calls for today. We're winding up. I am frustrated.
क्या रे, तू तो तिवारी सेठ को कॉल करने वाला था ना?
नहीं तिवारी सेठ, आपका नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में। नेक्स्ट
हाँ ले बात कर।
हेलो।
अबे तू तो मेरे को फोन करने वाला था ना, क्या हुआ? मिला 40 लाख रुपया तिधर है।
तिवारी सेठ, पैसा तो राजू लेके गए। Why are you calling me?
मुझे मेरा पैसा चाहिए, बट फूले 40 लाख रुपये।
Don't try to threaten me. Don't try to threaten me. You don't know who I am. तिवारी सेठ। Do you
अरे
understand?
तुप एकदम तुप। तब तल्ला है, तोपते उदा दूंगा, समझा क्या? मुझे मिला 40 लाख तब दे दा, बता।
तिवारी सेठ, पैसा राजू के पास है। Go to रॉयल सर्कस। पैसा रॉयल सर्कस में मिलेगा।
अदल मेले तो उधर पैसा नहीं मिला ना, तो तू देख लेना।
रॉयल सर्कस में पैसा मिलेगा। राजू इज इन रॉयल सर्कस।
ठीक है, देखता हूँ मैं।
Okay.
वरना तू दया, समझा?
Okay.
चल
Don't threaten me. Okay.
चल फोन लग।
Go to रॉयल सर्कस। Take it and go. रॉयल सर्कस में पैसा मिलेगा, बात हो गया है।
अगली बात कर।
ये गया क्या? How dare you intimidate me? How dare you hit me? This is my show. Viewers, what you just saw was the mafia trying to hit a poor man, a man of justice, a man who always seeks the truth. Moving on. I would like to bid goodbye and I would like to end the show right now. Okay, bye. See you next time, same time on prime time. हेलो।
बाबू मिले क्या? वो भी नहीं मिले ना।
अरे मनी भाई, you again. How do you know about my phone? Did you do something?
हम तुमको पूछी, फोन को कुछ हुए क्या? जिस फोन पे तुम नंबर घुमा के पियानो बजा रहे थे, हम वो फोन का बटन घुमा दिए थे। 6 का 9 और 9 का 6 कर दिए थे।
Money bhai, I will sue you for ruining my show. I was almost going to kill my intern. I will see you. You will pay for this, Money bhai. ये रिकॉर्ड नहीं हो रहा है ना? I don't want people to realize that I am a fool.